Yours, Eddie. Bring yours.
Papi, where are you going?
Mama.
What are you taking upstairs?
Why?
Why? No, you tell me why.
Where are you taking that?
Two golf clubs. Hi, Yanda.
Papi, those are mine.
Mine.
They're not yours, they're mine.
Papi, Mama can't hold all of them. Wait, don't.
Papi, give me my golf clubs.
Give to Dada.
They're mine.
They're Daddy's. You have your own. Jeff, let's go break out the new settings.
Okay, let's see how mad he is. Hey, that's not nice. It's not nice. Papi, where are you taking all my golf clubs?
Why?
Where are you taking my golf clubs?
Why?
Why? Because I
Bye-bye.
want to know they're
Say
mine.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dada.
That's not nice, Papi.
Bye-bye.
It's not nice. Why are you giving mommy my golf clubs? Nope, this one's mine. That's mine.
Mine.
That's mine.
Okay, you go upstairs. Yay.
What are you gonna do with my golf clubs?
Why?
I'm asking you a question.
Pop, let's go.
I think somewhere in there you said question. Papi, it's not nice to take my stuff. It's not nice. Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Papi.
Who's my dada? Mama.
Papi,
Yeah, yours Dada and your Mama. And
Yeah.
Addy.
Yeah, Papi.
Mama, I.
Yes,
Come,
and we
Papi.
are family. And
Let's-
who loves Eddie?
Mama.
Mama
And who
loves
else?
you.
And who else?
Who else?
Dada.
Yeah.
And Gippy?
Can you say Gimp?
Gimpy.
Can you say Gimpy, Papi?
Gimps. Just say Gimps. That's what the boys say.
Okay,
Gimps.
okay, Papi. Cheese. Okay, sister. Thank you, Papi. Oh, look, it's taking a pose and everything.
Wow, Addy.
Striking a
On the
pose.
Camera, be careful.
Okay. Bye, bye, Papi.